In this tutorial I'll show you how to transfer Google Photos to another account. So there is not direct option to transfer all photos directly, but there is workaround to do it. So firstly tap on the option which says sharing at the bottom right corner. Now instead of actually transferring all of our Google Photos, we will share all of the photos which we have on our Google account. Tap on top which says share with partner. Now you can choose to share some or all of your photos automatically, and you also can choose starting date as well. Then tap select partner. At the top type the email of the account that you want to transfer photos to. They will receive an email, and when they accept the invitation they will be able to access all of the photos, and they will also be able to download them, edit them, delete or anything they want to.